Hey guys, this is Rupidonzenac, your health and water queen. Thank you for joining me today on my YouTube channel. Now make sure that you stay to the end because I've got something for you, and also make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, put your notifications on so you can keep following my YouTubes and my channel. And today I'm going to talk to you about strong acidic water and strong Kangen water, and I'm going to show you how to make that from your machine. Now if you've got a machine, fantastic. If you don't, you know what to do. Just go to my website, connect with me, whichever way, and let's get that happening in your kitchen. Okay, we are going to head to my kitchen and I'm just going to show you how to do that. So I will see you in my kitchen in a minute. Okay guys, so welcome to my kitchen, and here is the K8 machine. So I'm going to show you how we make the strong acidic water, which comes from the bottom hose here, which is just at the end of the screen there, on the bottom of the screen. And then this is the 11.5, which comes out of the top hose. So as you see, I've got my bottles all lined up here because I do quite a bit of cleaning with all of this. This is great for like a hand rub, instead of using, you know, those toxic gels that we have. This will, you know, is great because it kills MRSA. It's been tested and proven to kill the bacteria within 30 to 60 seconds of contact. So I have one of these each by each sink. I have one of these lovely pumps here. So let's get started. So I'm going to make some 11.5, which comes from the top hose here. So we'll just open these bottles, and I'm going to make a little bit more 2.5 because this is not quite full. Okay, so the 2.5 one I'm going to put down the bottom here. I'll collect it in there. And the 11.5 I'm going to collect in this one. I hope that stays. Otherwise I'm going to have to hold it. Okay, stay put. All right, that's good. Now this is LED screen. So this is the K8 model. It is the top of the range, of course, and has the highest antioxidant potential, but I'll talk about that in another YouTube video. So today we'll just make the acidic and the strong Kangen water, 11.5 and 2.5 here from the bottom hose. So the 2.5 is a third stronger than bleach and 7 times stronger than hydrogen peroxide, and it's fantastic because it's not toxic. So you'll save heaps also on your cleaning materials. You won't need to use them. It's used in Japanese hospitals to clean surgical equipment and floors. Used for treating conditions as well, such as psoriasis, acne, eczema. It's even been used to treat diabetes, especially people that have, you know, skin conditions, and maybe, you know, because of the, maybe they've got infection in their feet, that sort of thing. It's sprayed, and also in conjunction with the drinking, of course. That's how it has helped people. So let's just touch the screen. That's all we've got to do is touch the screen. And then we're going to touch the 2.5 button here.
Strong acidic water.
There you go. And we're going to turn the diverter and make sure that you run it just with cold water, and just start the running here. You can hear. There we go. And hopefully decreased flow. It's telling me decreased flow. So it's very good. It tells you everything. So I'm running it too fast. Try to control the water. That's it. I think I've got it right now. So 2.5 strong acidic water coming through the lower hose, and then 11.5 coming through the top hose. And that's all you've got to do. It's really, really good. The 11.5 is great for cleaning around the kitchen again, you know, removing the stains off your floors and clothing. It emulsifies with fat, which I'll show you in another video. And you can remove pesticides from your fruit and veggies, but I'll show you that in another video. You can also use it in your laundry to reduce consumption of detergent. The 2.5, as I've already mentioned, you can use it for cleaning toilets and bathrooms, cleaning your cutting boards in your crockery, your knives, your cookware in your kitchen, disinfectant for your toothbrush, also removes bacteria in your mouth. It's great for mouth ulcers. It'll help heal those. So it's really, really good. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's all you got to do. The machine tells you if you're going wrong, It's really very easy. So I'm just going to stop it right there, and it will switch off, so save you power. Just put the diverter off. And after the machine has made this water, it will also tell you that it needs to clean. Let's just remove that one. That one is now full. So we have the 2.5, which is the strong acidic water, and I made from the top hose the 11.5, which is the strong Kangen water. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so that's it. I hope you got some value from that. Please give it a share. Now, there was one thing I just wanted to show you with the 2.5 is that it's not toxic. And I'm just going to show you. I am not afraid to put it in my mouth. It'll clean all that bacteria. So that's great. Okay, so guys, I had something free for you. Thanks for staying to the end. So make sure you go into the description, go to the website, subscribe there. You'll get some further information and also collect your free ebook on the way through. Okay, if you want to connect with me on Instagram, you can hang out there with me, or on Facebook, on my page. And make sure that you give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and put your notifications on so you can join me in the next YouTube, and I will have more information for you then. Remember, if you're healthy, then you're wealthy and you can live life and be happy. All right, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. See you.